Hey there, Destination Deca fam. It's Adam here, and today I'm inviting you to join me on an unforgettable journey deep into the heart of Tampa. Picture this. A city where breathtaking waterfronts, pulsating entertainment hubs, and pockets of serene natural beauty come together in a seamless blend of history and modern flair. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a culture vulture, or simply in search of your next great story, Tampa has an experience waiting just for you. In this exclusive guide, we'll dive into the top 10 must-see spots in Tampa. Each one rich with fun facts, hidden histories, and insider travel tips that I've personally experienced. And as a special treat, I'm revealing 2 bonus locations that even some locals keep under wraps. So, pack your curiosity and get ready, because this isn't just another travel video. It's your all-access pass to exploring Tampa like never before. Segment 10. St. Pete Pier, a waterfront exPIERience. At number 10, we head to the vibrant St. Pete Pier, a dynamic waterfront playground spread over 26 beautiful acres. This isn't just any pier, it's an exPIERience. Here, modern dining meets local craftsmanship, interactive art installations spark your imagination, and live events create an ever-changing scene of fun. Whether you're browsing unique marketplace stalls or simply soaking in the panoramic views of Tampa Bay while the sun dips below the horizon, this spot delivers endless inspiration and adventure. Pro tip: plan your visit during late afternoons to capture the best lighting for your photos and enjoy live music as it sets the vibe. Segment 9. Amalie Arena, the epicenter of entertainment. Sliding into number 9 is Amalie Arena, a state-of-the-art venue that pulses with the heart and soul of Tampa's entertainment scene. As home to the Tampa Bay Lightning and a hotspot for world-class concerts, this arena is where sports fandom and live performances merge into one electrifying experience. Its modern design and high-tech facilities ensure that every moment, whether it's a critical goal at a hockey game or a breathtaking concert performance, is unforgettable. Insider tip: secure your tickets in advance and explore nearby eateries to truly soak in the pre-game or pre-show atmosphere. Segment 8. Downtown Tampa, a fusion of history and modernity. At number 8, we dive into the dynamic heart of downtown Tampa, where history intertwines with modern urban flair. Here, you'll stroll through streets lined with historic architecture skillfully juxtaposed with sleek, contemporary designs. Quaint cafés and art galleries sit side by side with bustling markets and trendy boutiques, crafting a unique vibe that's both rooted in tradition and vibrantly current. Every alley and corner whispers a story, whether it's through a stunning mural or a centuries-old building repurposed for today's creative crowd. Make sure to linger and let the city unfold its rich narrative before you. Segment 7. The Riverwalk, Tampa's scenic lifeline. At number 7, we discover the iconic Tampa Riverwalk, a scenic corridor that gracefully hugs the Hillsborough River. This 2.5-mile stretch of urban beauty is perfect for a relaxed stroll, an energetic bike ride, or an impromptu riverside picnic. Along the way, vibrant sculptures, lush green parks, and inviting cafes combine to create a seamless blend of nature and urban culture. Whether you're catching a local festival or simply enjoying the golden hour by the water, the Riverwalk offers a picturesque escape right in the middle of the city. For the best experience, rent a bike or rollerblades and uncover hidden gems along this charming pathway. Segment 6. Ben T. Davis Beach, a hidden coastal retreat. At number 6, we reveal the understated charm of Ben T. Davis Beach, a hidden coastal retreat along the Courtney Campbell Causeway. Named after a local pioneer, this beach offers a laid-back escape with soft sands and gentle bay waters that welcome you for a day of unwinding or a sunset stroll. While it might not boast the expansive stretches of Clearwater Beach, its urban proximity makes it a perfect getaway for Tampa locals and visitors alike. Enjoy affordable parking, quick access from downtown, and a relaxed vibe that's ideal for sunbathing, shell collecting, or simply absorbing the scenic views of Old Tampa Bay. A quick reminder: always check the current water conditions, as occasional advisories remind us to swim cautiously. Segment 5. Ybor City, Tampa's timeless tapestry. At number 5, we head into the heart of Tampa's cultural legacy, Ybor City. Born out of the cigar boom of the 1880s by passionate entrepreneurs, This historic district is an exhilarating mix of tradition and modern energy. As you wander through its storied streets, you'll witness artisans hand-rolling cigars in authentic storefronts, taste the bold flavors of Cuban sandwiches at celebrated eateries like the legendary Columbia restaurant, and sip on rich Cuban coffee that tells the story of generations. This neighborhood isn't just about old-world charm. It pulses with dynamic nightlife and seasonal festivals like Gasparilla, where history and modern celebration go hand in hand. Insider tip: make a point to grab a fresh, locally brewed cup of coffee to start your morning exploration. The rhythmic vibe of Ybor City is best savored slowly. Segment 4. Florida Aquarium in Tampa Bay, an immersive underwater odyssey. Next, at number 4, we plunge into the mesmerizing world of the Florida Aquarium in Tampa Bay. This isn't your average aquarium, it's an immersive expedition beneath the waves. Home to over 8,000 marine animals, the attraction boasts a sensational 500,000-gallon coral reef gallery where vibrant schools of fish, graceful stingrays, and even a few curious sharks glide by in their recreated tropical paradise. The interactive touch tanks allow you to literally feel the magic of marine life, while informative talks detail conservation efforts that help restore endangered coral species. Whether you're traveling solo or with your family, the engaging exhibits and behind-the-scenes tours offer an educational yet awe-inspiring adventure. Segment 3. Lettuce Lake Regional Park, a natural sanctuary in the urban jungle. At number 3, we escape into nature at Lettuce Lake Regional Park, a serene expanse that offers a refreshing retreat from the city's bustle. Covering over 240 acres, this urban oasis features elevated boardwalks that meander through picturesque wetlands and dense woodlands, providing ample opportunities for birdwatching, photography, or simply soaking in the quiet beauty of Florida's ecosystem. From the observation tower, capture sweeping views of the meandering Hillsborough River and its diverse wildlife, from elegant herons to the occasional glimpse of playful alligators basking in the sun. Insider tip: bring along a pair of binoculars and your favorite camera. The unspoiled vistas here are pure Instagram gold, and the interpretive center adds a layer of fascinating context to your journey. Segment 2. Zoo Tampa at Lowry Park, where wildlife encounters inspire wonder. At number 2 is Zoo Tampa at Lowry Park, a hidden gem where conservation and entertainment seamlessly blend. This world-class zoo is home to over 1,300 animals spread across beautifully themed habitats that echo both the wild beauty of Florida and faraway exotic landscapes. Whether you're feeding a giraffe, marveling at the graceful flight of tropical birds, or learning fascinating facts during interactive keeper talks, every corner of Zoo Tampa is designed to foster a deeper connection with the natural world. With its commitment to global conservation, bolstered by behind-the-scenes encounters and educational exhibits, this is a place where both young explorers and seasoned wildlife enthusiasts can delight in the wonders of the animal kingdom. Insider advice: for a more intimate experience, plan your visit on a weekday when the crowds are lighter, allowing you to truly savor every encounter. Segment 1. Busch Gardens, Tampa's crown jewel of adventure and wildlife. And finally, topping our countdown at number 1, we arrive at Busch Gardens, a world-renowned adventure park that masterfully combines adrenaline-pumping rides with up-close animal encounters. This iconic destination stretches over 335 acres, blending meticulously themed attractions with naturalistic animal exhibits that bring the wild into sharp focus. Whether you're screaming your heart out on gravity-defying roller coasters like Iron Gwazi, marveling at the majestic creatures within the Serengeti Plain, or enjoying live shows that celebrate sustainability and wildlife conservation, every moment here is a celebration of both thrill and nature. Fascinatingly, Busch Gardens began as a modest animal park in 1959 and has evolved into an international benchmark for blending entertainment with education. Insider tip: invest in a quick queue pass to maximize your time. This way, you'll spend less time waiting and more time making unforgettable memories. Bonus Segment 1. Tampa Bay History Center. Journey through Tampa's rich past. As a special bonus stop on our Tampa adventure, step into the Tampa Bay History Center, a majestic window into Tampa's past. Nestled along the scenic Riverwalk, this museum takes you on a journey spanning over 12,000 years of local history. From ancient native cultures and the era of Spanish explorers to the riveting tale of cigar manufacturing that once put Tampa on the map, every exhibit is meticulously curated to bring history to life. Its interactive displays and immersive galleries invite you to explore artifacts, maps, and multimedia presentations that reveal how this vibrant city evolved into the cultural melting pot we know today. Insider tip: dedicate at least 2 hours to wander at your own pace, and be sure to check out the special exhibits that delve into Tampa's maritime heritage and the storied past of the cigar industry. Bonus Segment 2. Sparkman Wharf, Tampa's waterfront culinary and entertainment hub. Our second bonus revelation is Sparkman Wharf, a lively waterfront hub where Tampa's culinary innovation and energetic nightlife come together. Located in the heart of downtown Tampa, Sparkman Wharf offers an eclectic mix of gourmet food trucks, chef-driven restaurants, and an inviting beer garden, all set against stunning views of the shimmering Garrison Channel. Whether you're in the mood for a laid-back lunch or a vibrant evening with live music and social events, this spot truly has something for every taste. Insider tip: arrive early to snag a good spot in the dining garden and check out their seasonal events, like the annual 813-day celebrations, where the community unites to honor Tampa's unique spirit. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through Tampa's top spots. If this video has sparked your wanderlust and you're ready to explore every hidden corner of this vibrant city, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment sharing which destination you're most excited to visit, and subscribe to Destination Deca for even more epic travel guides. Don't forget to ring the bell so you're always the first to hear about our next adventure. And why not share this video with a friend who's craving a taste of Tampa's thrill and charm? Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and let every journey inspire you. This is Adam, signing off. See you on the road.